Hello, my people. Welcome to Glatory. If today is your first time joining me, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, I do appreciate you tagging along with me. Thank you so much. Today, I'm going to show you how I made this cheese cream. Please watch to the end. I'll be using 2 liters of packet full cream milk to make this recipe, and I'll be cooking it with medium heat. As you can see, I have to cook it till it's almost boiling, and you need to always stir it. Don't wait, don't leave it behind, always stir it. Now I'm adding my squeezed lemon. You can use lemon or vinegar, but I choose to use lemon because I think the sour taste, I prefer lemon than vinegar. So this is one whole lemon I squeezed to make this cheese cream. I'm adding it so that it can form the curd. You can see already formed. You can see already separated from the weed. Now I'll be sieving it out. You can see I have separated the curd from the weed. And now I'll be blending my curd into smooth paste. I'm adding a little salt. Please add salt to taste. In this cream cheese, I also added some sugar because I want the taste to be balanced. See, you have to use a very strong blender to do this, and sometimes it might not go through. Just use the pulse function to do it. Now I'm adding my 60 grams of butter into the cream cheese and my sugar, and I'll be blending all into smooth paste. Now you can see very smooth. This is so easy, you can make your own. If you can make it, then why do you need to buy? At least there is no preservative, no addictive. You're sure of what is inside. You can see it was so nice, and the texture is wow. Wow, you can see my cream cheese is done. So why don't you try your own? No need to spend your money. These are the little things you can buy on your own. It looks so good and it tastes so wow. Very good. The taste is awesome. Wow. I hope you will get to try this. And remember, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe or follow my page at Glatory. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be storing it on my fridge, and this can last for a month. Thank you, and see you on my next video. Bye.